How to fix quality on Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Prime Video app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to fix the video quality on Amazon Prime app, first thing you need to do is you need to check your internet speed. Make sure that you have stable internet connection speed. And the next method is you need to adjust the streaming quality of your video. For that, in this home screen at the bottom right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see the settings gear. Tap on it. Select the stream and download option. Now tap on the streaming quality option over here. For the best video quality, select this best option. If you're using your mobile data, then you can adjust the settings accordingly. You can try the data saver option. Another method is you need to update the app frequently. For that, you need to go to your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Prime Video. Now open up its app space. Here you can see this open option. Sometime instead of this, you'll see the option to update. You can simply tap on update and you will have the latest version of Prime Video app installed on your phone. Another way to fix the quality of Amazon Prime Video is to clear the cache memory. You can simply tap and hold on this app icon. Go to the app info page. Now scroll down to the bottom and select the storage option. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. You can then try to log out of your account and re-log in. After trying out these various methods, you'll be able to fix the quality on Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.